This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Kevin Mize. Welcome to this stunning modern home. This exclusive 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom residence boasts a spacious open floor plan, high-end finishes and tons of upgrades, all with no HOA and no CDD. Enjoy the luxury feel of tile flooring throughout, creating a sleek and elegant ambience. The expansive family room is perfect for relaxation or hosting gatherings, making it a true centerpiece of the home. As you walk through the impressive double doors, you will be overwhelmed with that feeling of wow. At the front of the home you will find a large room perfect for a bedroom or use it as an office/den. Also off of the family room is the expansive laundry room complete with cabinets and quartz counters. The open kitchen will make any chef smile. Complete with quartz counters, upgraded appliances, ducted ventilation hood, custom backsplash and separate coffee bar. As you continue toward the back of the home, you will find 3 more bedrooms, 2 more bathrooms and the primary suite and ensuite complete with large walk-in shower, dual sinks and walk-in closet. The entire property is fenced in for privacy. Located in a prime central location, you're just 15 to 20 minutes from Downtown Tampa, Midtown, the Westshore District, Tampa International Airport, top shopping destinations like International and Westshore Mall, and even the stunning Florida beaches. Best of all, Citrus Park Mall is only 2 minutes away. Don't miss out on this private and unique modern home. Schedule your showing today. For more information,